So guys, I've been getting this particular question lately. People asking me if they really need a toner in their skincare routine, or should they even be using a toner in the first place. Well guys, this question is going to be answered in today's video. And also, not just that, I'm also going to be telling you guys about toners and recommending some toners for you guys for your different skin types and your different purposes. So if you don't know that, we have different types of toners for different skincare purposes. So guys, all this will be answered in today's video. Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about toners, everything you need to know about toners, what toners are, how they should be used, and what purposes they actually serve to the skin. Okay, so guys, when it comes to toners, before wasting any much of your time, guys, what is a toner? A toner is a liquid skincare product that is used after cleansing, either to remove leftover dirt, oil, makeup on the skin. Now, a toner will also help to prep your skin before using any other skincare products, and a toner is also going to help to remove excess oil on the skin and also help to balance your skin's pH. Yes, and guys, we have different types of toners. Examples of toners that we have brightening toners, we have exfoliating toners, and we have hydrating or soothing toners, guys. And I'm going to be giving you guys like different toners based on this particular toners I just mentioned. Okay, now, what are brightening toners? First of all, now brightening toners are toners that is going to help your skin get brightened up, especially for people who have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, melasma. Yes, there's some toners that you can use that contain some certain kind of ingredients that will help your skin. Okay, some of these brightening toners contains ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, licorice extract, alpha arbutin. Some contain ingredients like tranexamic acid, kojic acid, and the rest. Okay, so these are some of the examples of brightening ingredients that some toners actually contain. Okay, now when it comes to exfoliating toners are toners that contain ingredients like AHA, BHA, and PHA. They contain ingredients like glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, mandelic acid as well. So now, what these toners will do for you basically is to help exfoliate your skin. Now, I'm going to tell you guys the perfect way to exfoliate your skin, especially if you suffer from oily or acne-prone skin, is by using an exfoliating toners. And exfoliating toners are amazing on the skin. Like, I love using exfoliating toners on my skin, and they're the only way I actually exfoliate. It's the only way I actually exfoliate my skin in the first place. Okay, now when it comes to hydrating or soothing toners, now hydrating toners are toners that would help hydrate your skin. Okay, some hydrating toners will also help to soothe your skin or calm your skin. Now, some examples of these hydrating toners, like I said, some of the ingredients that these hydrating toners contain are ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramide. So these are some of the examples of hydrating or soothing toners. And some soothing toners also contain ingredients like green tea and aloe vera. These are very good ingredients that will help to calm your skin. Okay, now those ones will help to calm your skin. Now, for hydrating toners contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Okay, while for soothing toners contain ingredients like ceramide, aloe vera, and green tea. So these are some of the examples of ingredients that you'll find in your soothing toners. But some soothing toners and hydrating toners actually go hand in hand. I have seen some hydrating toners that can actually be used as soothing toners as well. Okay, now before I start recommending some toners according to the types of toners that we have. Okay, now how are you using your toners wrongly? Some of you overuse these toners, especially for people who use exfoliating toner. Some of you exfoliate your skin, tend to use your exfoliating toner as your regular everyday toner, which is very wrong. That's why some of you complain about your skin breaking out, some of you complain about sunburn, complain about all sorts of things, about blemishes on your skin. It's because you are overusing it, especially if you're using an exfoliating toner. Some of you tend to use it as your regular everyday daytime toner, which is very wrong. If you're using an exfoliating toner, you need to use it only at night and night alone. Okay, now some people tend to use the wrong toner for their skin type, in the sense of, imagine someone with an oily skin getting a toner for people with dry skin, or imagine someone with dry skin getting a toner for people with oily skin. That would actually not make sense at all. So it is very important for you to know your skin type and know the kind of products that you need to get for your skin type. Okay, now some of the toners I'm going to be recommending for according to each of the different types of toners that we have. Okay, The first toner is a brightening toner. Now when it comes to brightening toners, we have amazing brightening toners. Now the first brightening toner on my list is the one from Good Molecules, and that's the Good Molecules Niacinamide brightening toner. This one is an amazing toner. I've actually used it before and I liked it. It's also a very good toner. Okay, now the second toner on my list is the one from Esteline, and that's the Esteline Niacinamide and Alpha Arbutin toner. Guys, this toner is good. Like if you know you want to brighten up your skin, guys, you can get this toner. It is amazing toner. Okay, and the next brightening toner on my list is one from Tiam, and that's the Tiam Mist. Guys, this toner is a very good one. In fact, it's going to help you brighten up your skin as well. Okay, another one is the one from Amfrom, and that's the Amfrom Rice toner, or you can get any rice toner of your choice. Rice toners will also help to brighten up your skin if you don't want to go for niacinamide. Okay, you can actually make use of any rice toner, which can be very good for brightening up the skin. Okay, that's all for brightening toners. The next are exfoliating toners. When it comes to exfoliating toners, some examples of exfoliating toners I'm going to be recommending is the one from The Ordinary, and that's the Ordinary Glycolic Acid toner. Guys, this one is very good. Okay, it's going to help to exfoliate your skin. Now another toner on my list is one from Clean and Clear, and that's the Clean and Clear Clarifying toner. Which one is amazing. Now another exfoliating toner on my list is one from the Revox, and that's the Revox Glycolic Acid toner or the Revox Salicylic Acid toner. These ones are also amazing exfoliating toners that you guys can actually get. And we also have the Neutrogena oil-free toner. That one contains salicylic acid, which is very good as well. Okay, the next category of toner is the hydrating and soothing toner. Now when it comes to hydrating toners, we have different types of hydrating toners. We have the one from Dr. Rachel, and this is Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid toner, which is an amazing toner. We also have the one from Esteline, that's the Esteline hyaluronic acid toner, which is a very good hydrating toner. Now when it comes to soothing toners, we have so many amazing soothing toners. We have the one from Face Fat, and that's the Face Fat soothing toner. We also have the one from Simple, and that's the Simple soothing toner. We also have the Acro pH balancing liquorized toner, which is also a very good one at that. So guys, these are some of the amazing toners that we have. You guys can actually try out anyone depending on your choice, depending on your skin type. Now if you have a dry skin, you might want to tilt towards using the hydrating toners and the soothing toners. Okay, and if you can also use the brightening toners too. If you have a dry skin, you can also use the brightening toner as well. But if you have an oily acne prone skin, you want to go for the exfoliating toners that contain ingredients like salicylic acid, and if you have dark spots, you want to go for the brightening toners and also the exfoliating toners that contain maybe glycolic acid. Okay, and also if you have a sensitive skin, you want to go for the soothing toners. Okay, soothing toners are perfect for your skin type. Now how can you actually make use of these toners? Okay, now how to make use of these toners? We have different ways in which we actually make use of these toners. For brightening toners, our advice that you make use of your brightening toners at night. Yeah, especially if they contain some certain ingredients that are melanin inhibitors. Okay, like tranexamic acid, like kojic acid, like alpha arbutin. You want to make use of them at night and night alone. Okay, you don't want to make use of them in the daytime so that the sun will not affect the effectiveness of the toner. Okay, now if you want to if your brightening toner contains ingredients like vitamin C and niacinamide, you can use it in the daytime. That's fine. You can use it in the daytime. You can use it as your everyday regular toner. That is perfect. Okay, and now if you have for your exfoliating toner, your exfoliating toner should only be used maybe twice or 3 times in a week at night when you want to exfoliate your skin. Do not use your exfoliating toner every single day. That is wrong. Do not make use of your exfoliating toner as your regular daily toner. Only use your exfoliating toner at night and maybe 2 or 3 times in a week. Whenever you want to exfoliate your skin, that is when you should make use of your exfoliating toner. Okay, you shouldn't use your exfoliating toner every single day, and do not use it in the daytime as well. Okay, now when it comes to your hydrating toners are toners that can be used every day. You can use your hydrating toners every day. In fact, you can use your hydrating toners together with your exfoliating toners. After exfoliating your skin, you can now go in with your hydrating toner. That is fine. Okay, hydrating toners can be used also in the daytime. You can use your hydrating toners in the daytime. That is perfect. In fact, I prefer using hydrating toners in the daytime. I love it on my skin in the daytime. I love it on my skin whenever I make use of my exfoliating toner and maybe it dries out my skin and I'm looking for a way in which I can hydrate my skin. I use my hydrating toner, okay? Or any day in which I feel like I don't want to use any form of active on my skin, I use my hydrating toners. Now for soothing toners are perfect for people who have sensitive skin, or if they want to calm their skin. I mean, if maybe you have a damaged skin barrier, that is when you should use your soothing toner. In fact, soothing toner should be used like by everybody, because most times when you use too many actives on your skin, you need something that's going to help to calm your skin down. You need something that's going to help to make your skin feel calm. If you have been using so many actives on your skin, you don't want to always keep on using actives. You need to at times take a break from too many skincare actives, okay? So that is why I love soothing toners. They will help to calm your skin down, help your skin barrier get strengthened, okay? So that is when you should, so soothing toners are toners that you should actually have in your skincare routine, like any day, anytime. You need a soothing toner. I have a soothing toner which I use days in which I am not exfoliating my skin, and days in which I know I want to just calm my skin down. I make use of my soothing toners, okay? So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do so to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share, and also leave your comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.